Oh, hey, today we're going to paint with fire. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so I've got this cup right here. It was black. I got it powder coated black already. Bought it from the store that way. I have two sports teams here. So I put my logos there and it's just a black outline. That's what I wanted to do. I spray painted it white. Sometimes you have the problem of two different sports teams on one tumbler. People are like, can you do this on this side and this one on the other? Well, sure, yeah. But their colors are nowhere near working together with each other. So I had to come up with an idea. And actually, I have to give credit. This is my wife's idea. And throw her some love in the comments below for this idea. She said, why don't you just do the logos, do a smoky technique like paint with fire, and then just airbrush the color like a little shadow around it. I said, oh my gosh, that is genius. That's why I married her, you know. But anyway, so what we're going to do, I've got my stuff ready, and you didn't need, do whatever sports teams you want. I mean, you'll see at the end what they are. I mean, if you can't guess right now, whatever, it's fine. I did all kinds of trials and errors that failed to try to figure out the best way to get a smoky, fiery, cool design on here. But I come up and I figured it out with this guy right here. For the sake of whoever watches this video, I have to go ahead and throw a disclaimer right here. Do not try this at home. This is fire. And there's probably other ways to do it that are less dangerous. But I like, you know, to live life on the edge of danger. Not really though, I'm pretty safe. But anyway, let's get right to it. All right, so I've got you tilted back for optimal viewing pleasure. I feel like this will be a cool angle. Maybe, I don't know. So I've got my little doohickey. I'm gonna light it. Like I said, kids, don't try this at home. So this goes pretty quick, and this guy goes up pretty high. Look at the smoke coming off of those. Tilt you up just a little bit more. And all you really do is you just take it and go whoosh. Whoosh. And look at that. Look at that cool design. That simple. Whoosh. Twist it. Do it till you're happy. Smoke it up. Don't get too close. Whoa. Yeah, I love that. That looks so cool. And it's super quick, super easy. Let's get you up just a little bit more. Whoosh. The closer you get, the more darker. The more darker? Is that a word? I don't know. The Dumaflachi smoke, technical term, gets. So just do it like this. It's going to be hard to stop because this is so crazy. There we go. Ooh, that was a good one. Let's do some going up. Why not? Bro. Whoosh. Oh, we're passed right through the fire. Let's do it this way. All right, I think I'm just going to call it done right there. So let me get you down here. That turned out super cool. There's so much interesting patterns going on. And I did a little more concentrated at the top and at the bottom because I got it taped up and the bottom is already powder coated black. So I thought a nice little darker area down there would look cool. But wow, it's just interesting everywhere you look. And then, especially look how it comes and curls up around that. It's just like, it grabbed it and just like whoosh. Now you can do as little or as much as you like. I really like this right here. Before I do anything else, I'm going to seal it with this stuff right here. Right there. There it is. And if you want to see the correct way, proper procedures, technique, whatever, to spray that, click the link in this video right here. And I'm going to throw about 2 or 3 coats on this. Then I'm going to pull these off, do my airbrushing, And then we'll do all that revealy-billy stuff, you know, where you fancy doodle with the music and all. Well, you get what I'm saying. Let's go. And I will say that with this, spraying stuff like this that you're not sure about, and alcohol inks, if you're spraying over those, more lighter coats further back away are better than a heavy coat, because a heavy coat can cause it to run or sag or drip or splotchiness. So less is more. Okay, I just want to point that out. Alrighty, my sealer is dry. I got red in the airbrush. I'm just going to airbrush a little red glow around my logo on this side. Flip it around, do a purple around this side, take my stencils off, and then do the inside, and we're ready. Let's just get going. Grab my handy dandy tweezers. Like I said, these are the best tweezers I ever found. They grab so tight. Oof. So satisfying.